With WizKid pikin, you go know say some people know they start as upcoming artists. Now with the power we say Popsi gets, just one project we say him drop, Baba don't enter number 4. Since last week, I don't know if the number, if it don't go up past like that, but just one song. This is to tell you, say, I get some people we know they start as upcoming artists. How many people you know when we say that when they know start as upcoming artists? I think Will Smith Pikin, 2, no really start as upcoming artists. You get people when we say that they skip the upcoming thing. This kid Pikin, if you call her upcoming for the industry, but not be upcoming artists.